1996 Impala battery replacement. All right, it's that day. It's the day to replace the battery. It's been weak not holding a charge. Sometimes it'll hold a charge for a day, sometimes 4 hours. So I think it's time to change it because using the jumper pack is getting old. I ordered the battery today from the auto parts shop at around 10 o'clock. They had to order it in from Oakland, California, so it should be arriving soon. I'm gonna start with removing the cables and loosening the battery bracket so I can bring the battery with me to exchange it out and not lose the $20 for the cord charge and be stuck with a faulty battery. It's pretty simple to do this operation. Just gonna need a pretty long ratchet with extensions. I think I could do it with just the black one, so we'll take off the silver one. There you go. I got my swivel on there just so I can make it a little bit easier, and I want to use it. Oh yeah, that extension is more than enough. Now the socket size or the bolt size is a 13, so I have a 13 millimeter on there. Wrong way. All right, there we go. Just gonna pull out the bracket. A couple more threads left on there. I think this bolt's about 5 miles long. We got it. We got it. That's what it looks like. Just holds on to the little lip at the bottom. Put that to the side. Now we're gonna need our wrench. I have a 5/16 and a 8 millimeter. I was gonna buy a tool at Harbor Freight today, the side post battery side post terminal tool. Had a 25% off coupon, but they didn't have the tool in stock in my area, so we're just gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with 8 millimeter. I tried both seem to work, but 8 for some reason seemed a little bit like a better fit. Looked it up online. People say they both work, so we're gonna go with that. So we are going this way. No, had it right the first time. All right, there we go. There is the good old Interstate battery. Just got here to Winchester Auto Parts, but the sign says Napa Auto Parts now. So did I go to the wrong place or they got bought out? I think they got bought out. I'll let you know in about 5 minutes when I don't have the battery, but I think I got the right spot. All right, so that was the correct store. They just got bought out. Got the battery. Now ready to install it. Running out of light, so hopefully the video looks okay. And I noticed that the battery is a different color. It's the same model number, MT-78. It's just black on the sides. A little bit different aesthetically, but the positive post is still on the correct side and the negative post is still on the correct side. All right, so running out of light. Use my little brush here to clean the terminals. Side post terminals are not very easy to get to with this kind of brush, but we'll do our best. These are better for the round ones. I like to put dielectric grease on mine. Of course, my cap broke, so it kind of sucks. Got that much. We're gonna put some on the threads. and the rest on the top to keep it from corroding. The rest will go on the battery. All right, here's the new battery. Interstate, green top, black sides. 700 gold cranking amps. Make sure we got our cables and nothing's stuck. Good. Need our wrench. Now, of course, with the battery disconnected, we can't unlock the doors with power, so I had to walk around and get the other one. Positive, negative. We got our number 8 wrench again. Wrong way. Try not to cross thread. Wrong way. The alarm might go off, so don't be surprised or shocked. First, we're not straight. There. Wrong way. To get this bolt lined up. Oh, we are going the wrong way. Well, there's your problem. All right, that's good. For the keys, is in my pocket. We're gonna snug her down. Not too tight. You don't want to strip anything. Torque to spec. There we go. All right, now we got to get the bracket. All right, got our bracket. Just gonna brush this off a little bit. There's a spider right there. Now that catches on the lip right here. Okay, that's good. Got our 13 on there, straight. I don't think we're in the hole. There's a joke there somewhere. Line her up again. Right there. See it. All right, let's try this again. So 13 millimeter for this and 8 millimeter or 5/16 on the battery terminal posts. And torque to spec. That's the neighbors. Nice and tight, there you go. All right, we're losing light fast. I'm trying to be on the outside of the car so you could see me. And of course, when I was gonna start it, passkey fault. So the 2 minutes and 50 seconds have passed. Moment of truth, I could tell it's a better battery already because the dome light's brighter and everything else, but here we go. Just like that, fired right up. Interstate batteries, check it out. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.